Hey, what's up guys? So, kind of got carried away, as you can tell. Both fenders are off, both headlights are out, hood is off. On the other side, you got the washer fluid reservoir. Just disconnect it right there, and the hose can come out. I had these hood lights on, which mount with these brackets, so those just come off with the hood. What we got left to do, we got to detach some of the body harnesses. We got to disconnect all the oil coolers, trans coolers, radiator, all that stuff. Take it all out. All right, we pulled her out of the garage. Refrigerant's out, coolant's out. All the wiring is detached. Headlights out, fenders off, hoods off, grills off, bumpers off, fender liners out, batteries out, beds off, fuel disconnected, parking brake disconnected, shifter linkage disconnected, and probably a shit ton of other stuff I'm forgetting about. We are underneath the truck right now. I have the floor shifter for my 4 high, 4 low, neutral, and 2-wheel drive. So just spray this up with PB Blaster and grab you a like plastic rivet tool or some type of a miniature pry bar and just pop that out. Same thing on the transmission shifter. Just pop it off here, and then to get out of this bracket, you're gonna have to basically take it and twist it. I don't know if it's twist down or twist up. It'll kind of just walk out of the hole. And I should be good to take my brake booster off and then my steering linkage. All right, you're good to go up. Tap it again. 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 There you go. All right, steering shaft's unlocked.